This pose loosens your leg, hip joints and back, and stretches your abdominal muscles. Start on all fours with your knees under your buttocks and your hands under your shoulders. Stretch your right arm forward and your left leg backward, then bend your left leg upwards and hold your left ankle with your right hand. Lift your knee and chest to create an arch like a bow. Hold this pose. Breathe regularly. Don't force your leg too high as that may strain your muscles. This pose stimulates the blood circulation in your body, and also helps burn the fat around your thighs and belly.